Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create an Etsy seller account from scratch. So Etsy is a big e-commerce store where you can do dropship and all things. So let's get started. First you have to do sign up on Etsy.com. To sign up or register, you can click on this button, sign in. Then here at the top, you can see as a button called register. You have to click this, then you have to write your email, then your name, then password that you want. I am writing my password. You can write your password, whatever your password is, just write and click on this button, register. As we can as registered as a customer, but we have to become a seller. To become a seller, you have to click on your profile and you have to select this option, sell on Etsy. As we can see, this are coming. So let us know about how to sell on Etsy. So you can sell a great value, a powerful tool, and support and education things. And you can open a store on Etsy. Here the listing fee will be 17 rupees. In USD it will be 0.20 cents, and the transaction fee on the PayPal will be 6.5%, and offside ads fee will be 15%. And here we can down we can it it is a powerful tool. As we know, it reaches the world. In the world in the world the consumer can be from anywhere in the world. It says everywhere. We can see as this, and we can also you can read if you want to read. Let us create an Etsy store. You have to click on this button, get started. Yes, welcome Jax. You are excited to We are excited to help you to bring our shop to life. To kick off things. We will get a bit about you and what to do. Let's do next. Then here it is asking, just select first option if you are doing for first time, or you can choose your option whichever you want. Let's do next. Then is there anything you would like to help with? Let us do understanding finances a help, and pricing, and selling internationally. Then we can do next. We can see now time for fun part. Let's start our shop. As we can see, it is asking our shop preferences. You should select the country and shop language to your home country where your business is, or where a business is established. You have to select that country. In my case, it's India, and its shop currency is rupee. Afterward, you can change, or you can add PayPal to go go globally. Like do next. You can create a name. If you don't know how to choose a name, or you're confused, you can click here. You As you can see, it is a seller handbook. You can read this. There are naming tips. As it is a tutorial, I am not explaining this. Let's choose a random name. Jax. Do like Jax by Jax. This is looking good and this sounds great. We can do next, save and continue. Here is main thing coming. Create a listing. Let's create our listing. To create a listing, we can go here. We can choose anything. I am just choosing this. You can add more photos. I am adding the sample. I am adding random photos. You can adjust this thumbnail also by doing like this. You can adjust it and just save it. You can title this, it's a sample. You can name your title. You can add a video up to maximum size of 100 MB. And who made it? I did. Was it is finished product, and it is made May 2023. It's like a digital planner, like we can like a digital planner. It's like party supplies, paper, stationery. You can add a primary color too, you can add a secondary color, it's optional. I am doing here as a digital because I have to fill all address detail where I have to ship and all thing. Or we can like do, like I will explain you what to do. Here is your delivery options. Okay, here is, you will add here your address and your standard delivery. Standard delivery partner. You will choose your country. Here is like daily delivery, first class, second class, speed post. You can select anything that you want, or other you can select, and you can delivery time you can give. I am selecting this. If you want, you can. If you're not sure, don't worry, you will update anytime. Delivery fee will be updated, or you can just charge a fixed amount in additional item to this. You can add our delivery service to this. Okay, if you want. I am selecting digital because it's require verification. It will verify you are a legit person or you are doing like a fake. We can just write a description. I am writing hello there. I'm writing hello there. We can add some tags. Like, I am selling a digital planner. I can add a digital. I can write a digital planner. I can write as color, it's like purple. You can add more things, like you can add a 13 up to 13 tags. You can add a 13 full. Here materials, it's digital. You can write it digital and add. You can add your component ingredient, what you want to add. You have to, in this column you have to select your price. I am selling this is, for example, like 499. Okay, here is quantity. You can select like greater quantity, the listing will renew automatically until it sells. You will be charged as this dollar. For one listing you will charge 0.20 cents for each listing, and it's a fee for like every month. Let's go to, like, you can personalize it, you can turn on it. The buyer will write. You can just do if you want. You can add the digital file here. I am adding digital file. You can just click here. The digital file is adding. You can create a return or exchange. Digital products are not eligible for exchange or return. If you go with a physical product, the return or exchange will be there. If you want, like it is there, you can apply this, or you can create your policy. I am setting a digital, what I said, digital. So you have to do next, continue, and save and continue. You guys, you can see great job on your first listing. You can add more listing if you want, or I am doing now later. This is for later. Here you have to select your bank account where you are living. Your, if you are a business or you are an individual, you can sell for tax purpose. If you are a business, you have to write your business address, legal address, then your GST number, then all the things you want to add here. If you are an individual, then you have to add your personal details and your PAN card. Here you can just add your taxpayer ID. You can turn on PayPal also. I have an account on it, so I'm not doing it. So like, just in this billing step, you have to address your main address. Stop security, you have to just prove that it's you are authentic person, you are a legit person. So I am logging with my account. I am logging with my account, where I will show you it's the dashboard. Just sign out it. As you can see here, I am doing to my account. It's my seller account. You can see, like, when you will done with all things, you will land to this page. In this page you can see your sales, your visits, your orders, and these are the listings. Recently my listings are not activated, it's deactivated by Etsy because they have not done my ground verification. You can see the messages, and you can see orders and delivery. Maybe later you can just create a tip or do it later. You can just do, if you process minimum sale of $300, you will become a star seller. Doing this, you can see the stats from here, your finances from here. You can see your bank account statement, all thing. You can do as a marketing Etsy ad. You can see, like, my shop is not active, as I cannot. To edit your profile, you have to click on this Etsy or logo main. It's not coming, but when you will set up, finally, then it will come like this. As you can see, you can edit this, like your country, your logo. To make this banner, you can just use Canva. You can use Canva to make the banner. I'm using Canva. You can just write banner. You can just create a banner. Yeah, some template. You can use this and create your banner. And you can create a logo by Canva also. Or you can use logo making sites, or you can hire a freelancer to make your logo. As you can see, the logo is coming. You can select this template and you can make yourself also. If you want freelancer, you can hire them also. So if you find the video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.